Now we are going to speak about how we are going to modify our model in order that when we later on create a solid from surfaces, only one solid is created. In order for one solid to be created, that means that we cannot have any of these yellow lines which are shown in this picture. This is because this means that we are going to have multiple solids created from surfaces, and so now we can, if we click F5 and we click mask and we click surfaces and we hide or mask these two surfaces and zoom in, we can see that there are small surfaces in the behind this main surface, and when we create solids from surfaces, we're going to have, we will create one solid just from these surfaces here, and this is not what we want. So we have to click return. Now we have to click F2, which opens our delete panel. We have to click again surfaces here, and we have to click this surface, and this surface. Once this is selected, we can click on delete entity. We click return. Again, we click F5 and we unmask all. And as you can see, now there are no yellow lines at the front of this bracket. So now we have to rotate our model. Again, we have to mask these two surfaces. We have to click mask. We have to click return. Again, F2. And again, we have to select this surface, and this surface. We have to click delete entity, return. Again, F5, unmask all. And again, you can see that there are no more yellow lines here. The only yellow lines are now present at this location. So now we rotate a little bit. Click F5. We click this surface because this yellow line means that there are three surfaces which are sharing an edge. And we have to click mask. Now return. F2. Click this surface, delete, return, F5, unmask all. Now this is just a green line. Now again we have to click this surface, mask it, return, F2, this surface, delete, and return. Now F5, unmask all, and you can see now that this is all green. However, when we rotate the model to check it, we can see that there is one more yellow line on this side. So we have to click again F5. We have to mask this surface, mask it, and you can see in this case the masked surface, this surface, and this surface are sharing an edge, and this is why we are getting this yellow line. So we can right click on this surface because we don't want to delete it, and this surface, and click return. Again F2, we have to select this surface, delete entity, return, F5 again, unmask all, return, and we have to fit the model. And now you can see there is no more yellow lines. However, when we inspect it in more details, now we are seeing a red line. A red line means that these two surfaces are not being connected. So to fix it, we have to go to Geometry, Surface Edit. Now we have to click Extend here, and then this option, Surface to Extend. So now we click this surface, and okay, so we can just try it again. So press this to delete the selection. So now first select this surface and this surface, extend. as you can see now there are no more red lines. Everything is green, which means that later on, when we create a solid from all these surfaces, we will create only one solid. Now we click return and we click fit the model.